In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image in Notion by replacing it with a rotated copy. Let's start by opening Notion. Head to your workspace and sign in if you're not already. Once you're in, navigate to the page that contains the image you want to fix. You can use the sidebar to find it or the search bar at the top if your workspace is busy. When the page opens, scroll to the image block and take a moment to confirm what needs correcting, whether it's upside down or rotated sideways. Here's the key thing to know. Notion doesn't currently support rotating images inside the app. That means the solution is to rotate the file outside of Notion, then replace the image on your page with the corrected version. It's simple and only takes a minute. On your computer, locate the original image file. Open it in the Windows Photos app or your preferred image editor. In Windows Photos, you'll see a rotate button. Click it until the image is oriented exactly the way you want. If you're overwriting the same file, just hit save. If you'd like to keep the original as a backup, use Save As and give the rotated copy a clear name so you can find it easily. Now head back to Notion to replace the image. Click on the existing image block. You'll usually see options like Replace, or you can delete the image block and add it again. Both approaches work. If you choose Replace, select the newly rotated file from your computer. If you deleted the block, add a new image block by pressing the / and typing image, then upload the corrected file. Drag and drop works great too. Just drag the rotated image from your desktop into the page and drop it where you want it. Wait a second for the upload to finish and then check the orientation. If it still looks the same, try refreshing the page. Sometimes the browser caches the old version. Also, make sure you uploaded the new file and not the original. That's it. Your image is now correctly rotated in Notion. A quick tip, if you work with a lot of images, consider keeping a small folder for originals and a separate one for edited versions. It makes replacements faster and prevents mix-ups. And remember, the same approach works for other adjustments you make outside Notion, like cropping or color corrections. Edit first, then replace in your page. You're all set. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, more polished Notion page.